Hey Mac friends, it's Dana here from MacMedics. You don't see me outside too often, but I'm helping a customer try to accelerate their results. I've got a Apple Depot shipper that's going off to Apple Depot service, and instead of waiting until tomorrow to have FedEx pick it up, I'm going to walk it over to Safeway, which is an authorized FedEx pickup point, and FedEx will get it tonight. So Apple will have it tomorrow. That could shave a day off the turnaround time, plus Apple doesn't count the weekends. So if you go to the Apple store, who knows how long your Depot shipper box might be sitting in a back room at the Apple store until FedEx gets around to picking it up. Where here, I'll try to get it into the food stream as fast as possible, so you can get your machine back as fast as possible. Plus, if you don't have a backup, if your machine is working, I'll back up your data for free, which is absolutely imperative before you ship it away to Apple, because Apple's likely to erase your data while it's in their possession. Anyways, shop small, avoid the mall, and come see me here at MacMedics, right on Benfield Road, across from Safeway.